Alright guys, we are on and we're about to make some taco bean soup. So we got all the ingredients here to make some taco bean soup. A couple things of corn, some black beans, and down. Pinto beans, whatever that is. Okay, but here's the thing. I'll send it, Eric. That can upside down. Then we just made some tea. What kind of tea is this?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Matter of fact, I think I'll taste me some. It's a little warm because just made it.
I ain't got one.
Yeah.
Okay, it just popped up.
What's that? The flour? Is that flour?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna make some cornbread.
Oh, you're gonna make some cornbread. Oh, y'all gonna learn how to make cornbread too today. Not only are you gonna learn how to make taco bean soup, y'all gonna learn how to make some cornbread. I'm gonna show y'all how to make cornbread.
Okay. We got black beans. We're gonna wash them. Give me the other can of black beans.
Okay, you gotta wash your black beans.
Get that sodium out. We got ground turkey.
Oh yeah, we did the ground turkey. We had to cook that up this morning. Why you cook it early?
Pre-cook it so the seasoning can soak through the meat.
Okay. Just washing your what kind of bean? Black bean?
These are black beans.
Black beans.
Get all that sodium out of them. Okay. Give me that corn.
Now, you're gonna take the corn. Gotta wash your corn. Wash your vegetables.
Black bean, what's these?
Oh, you only, really?
Got two.
We make some cornbread and some taco bean soup.
Okay, so that's...
You on your way, Mutt? All right, Mutt said you on your way.
Tell them, come on.
She said, come on.
We're going to put it on the stove.
Got water. Why you squeeze the bottle?
You know, all this had to come out that fast.
Why?
So come on out of there. Turn the stove on. Okay.
What you want it on?
High.
Just high?
Start off. Okay. Tomatoes.
You don't have to wash those up?
No, these tomatoes, you just pour them in there.
Okay. So she just put two bottles of water in there. And some tomatoes. 3 things of tomatoes.
Get it back for me.
I think I'll take me some more of that tea, hibiscus tea. I'm gonna drink all. How you make this?
This is
Yeah, we be drinking all kind of stuff. We're gonna do the cornbread. I'm gonna teach y'all how to make some cornbread today. Hold on now, what you doing? Accent. Don't be doing that without me now. You trying to cook without me? What's that? Red pepper.
crushed pepper.
Crushed pepper.
Garlic.
A little garlic. Garlic powder. What's that? Onion powder. A little onion powder in there. Not too heavy with the hands. Taco seasoning, mild, and ranch dip mix. I'll see where I set my stove at. Now we just stirred everything up. How long are we gonna let it cook for? Just let it cook.
I'm gonna add another can of.
I can't wait. We just gonna let it cook, y'all. We're just gonna let it cook.
Diced tomatoes.
But you add another can of?
Tomatoes.
There ain't gonna be too much tomatoes in it.
No.
So four things of tomatoes. That diced tomatoes. Let me see
like
that. Let me see that can.
You got it?
So you got some onions. You like onions? You don't like the red onions? Who? You.
They strong.
So you like what?
White.
White onions? The red one too strong?
They strong, but I use for other stuff. We probably put a little bit in our enchilada.
Yeah, what? So you put a whole half an onion in there?
What we supposed to be making for breakfast Thursday? Out of egg omelet.
Yeah, Thursday we're gonna do omelets.
Omelet with hash brown.
I had to make sure, Jackie Thompson, look, she know what she doing. I had to make sure.
Thank you.
Had to make sure, gotta keep it in line.
Now you just let it cook.
Just let it cook, y'all. Just like that. Taco bean soup. We use ground turkey. Ground turkey, right?
Mm-hmm. Put the top on it. And there we go.
And then we're going to make some cornbread to go with it. Now, this going to be, show y'all the famous cornbread. Like this turmeric. We're going to grow some of this. We're going to grow some turmeric.
Let me get my milk. I brought my milk from home. Alabama milk.
What's that, whole milk? That buttermilk?
Yeah.
You making it with buttermilk? What you looking for?
You both on there. Water.
How much water you need? Huh? Oops. So yeah, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make some cornbread. Go ahead and turn your oven on about 350.
Just water.
Can you make it with white milk?
Mm-hmm. As long as it's milk.
Ain't gonna be a lot though, is it?
Just that plain. One egg.
1 egg for your cornbread. You want to put some jalapeno peppers in it?
Mm-mm. I ain't got my black skillet.
So what?
So I'm just gonna use this pan.
But you preheat the pan?
No.
Why you do that?
This is my butter.
You heat the butter in the oven?
Yeah. And you spray the pan. And then you hook your butter up.
It's a cooking show.
Boys cooking show.
I'm going home cooking show. It's the I'm going home cooking show. Yep. And just like that, y'all, we about to have some cornbread. Don't say I ain't never taught y'all nothing. And we're gonna let it sit in there till it get done. Do you put that on broil too to get when you get ready to make it brown? Mm-hmm. Okay. So y'all, I put my stove on broil when I get ready to make it brown. I just put it on broil, and then it'll brown. And that's how you make some cornbread and some taco bean soup. And now we just wait, right? So just a half an onion? Mm-hmm. Shit, I'm being drunk up all this little tea. You heard me? Guys, I did get some more today, but they came in a different color. So I don't know if I like that. They came in a different color. I mean, I think I'm about to eat me a piece of this fish. Look.
Who that? Eric. Tell him you better come on.
Well, he at work. Eric, you at work? You working?
Getting a hair beat.
Oh, yeah, you getting a hair twisted. Shoot. Y'all, you got to clean up as you go. Make sure y'all clean up as you go. So you won't be having a whole bunch of stuff to clean up. And literally, you'll probably just let this sit on here.
It's cooking now.
Just let it cook. Let that cook and let your cornbread cook. You know what? These biscuits still shining from this morning. That honey on them. It's still shining. Well, that's a wrap, guys. We're just going to let this cook. It's 5:34. And we're just going to let this cook. And we'll show y'all we might show y'all once we get done. But yeah, once the cornbread get ready, we'll come back and show y'all.